Thank you so much for joining me today. Today is Tuesday, September the 25th. Now, before I get to the main topic, I just want to go over three important issues that are taking place in the real estate industry in Ottawa in the upcoming weeks. First off, Marty Bennett's team from Marty Bennett Pros will be releasing two new condos. The first being the Slater. It's called the Slater on Slater Street, and the second being Qualicum Woods Crossing, and that is near Pinecrest. They're both excellent condos, very nice, very sleek, and very modern, and those will be coming up soon. The second is that on October 3rd, Jawad Rathor and Vince from Fortress Real Developments will be doing a town hall discussion on their alternative investment strategies at 6:30 p.m. at the Ottawa Coliseum. So if you need any information on that, please contact me, or I can get you in touch with registering for that free town hall. Now, that'll be some great information there. The last thing would be that I was at a community association meeting last week, and we're seeing a lot of the community associations are looking to stand up to City Hall and their practices of announcing these new condo developments, new developments around the city, without the best consultation with the constituents in the city. So there's going to be some strongly worded letters to the city council, and hopefully that will bring about some change in this city towards getting these condos up and making sure everybody is in the know of what's going on. Now, the main topic today is that CMHC just recently put out their 2012 Mortgage Consumer Study. Now, there's a lot of statistics. I'm just going to go highlight some of the major ones, and on the website there will be a listing of a lot more of them. So, and it has a lot to do with how people are using online searches and like that. So 71% of mortgage consumers report going to the internet to research mortgages. That's a year-over-year increase of 9% in online usage. A total of only 31% of consumers use the internet to secure mortgage financing. So that is now my job to bring that out a lot more, making sure that they know that it is ultimately the most secure way you can go about securing your mortgage financing, as well as the easiest, fastest, and most reliable, of course. 86% of people searched around interest rates when they're doing their online mortgage research. Of course, that would be the easiest one to go about doing. 64% of people used mortgage calculators, while 93% of the people were satisfied with their search on the mortgage calculators. My website, you can go right from the main page. 12% of first-time homebuyers went to Facebook to secure information about the home buying process. Only 3% used YouTube. So that's not too great for me right now. But I still think YouTube and doing these videos and being personable with my clients and the people of Ottawa is the way that I think that it should be gone. 2% first-time buyers used Twitter to secure information, while 7% went to blogs. 38% of people using online went through their mobile device from the 18 to 24-year-old sector. I think that's going to be increased phenomenal with smartphones. 56% of people said that their lender was the most influential in their mortgage decision-making process. 45% said the broker. See, I don't agree with this. I like that the broker is at 45%. I'd like to see that higher, because using a professional like me, using my free service, I can take a look at your lender, the lender of choice for you, possibly the bank that you've been going to your whole life. But I can also bring it back about some other banks and other lenders with possible better prepayment charges, as well as better interest rates, and definitely go through those and show that to you. Only 61% of consumers went through a scenario of what happens when your allotted time frame of your mortgage comes up. I like to go about that with all my clients, show a fictitious or a hypothetical 5-year rate is in 5 years, and show what the mortgage payments would look like at increasing. It says here, it took on average 5 weeks for consumers to complete all their research for the mortgage process, 8 weeks for the first-time home buyers. 66% of people contact more than one lender or broker to explore their options. I definitely recommend, if you're going to your bank, possibly go to your bank first, and then give me a call or visit my website and get in touch with me to see if you are getting the best deal from your institution. On average, buyers contacted 2.7 lenders or 1.9 brokers. 49% of consumers reported to having put together a list of questions before starting the mortgage process. I want that to be closer to 100, that you get all your questions answered by your mortgage agents or your bank rep. Most mortgage consumers remain loyal to their mortgage lender. They say roughly 90% stay. I, of course, want, when your mortgage is up for renewal, explore all options. To save you thousands of dollars, why not? It's only a couple minutes, and you can save a lot of money that way. Here's one that's a terrible statistic. Since their initial transaction when getting a mortgage, only 46% of people have been contacted by their broker or lender. That is terrible. I'm at 100%, and what the majority is just to say a simple thank you. You have to be in contact with your clients at all times and explore different scenarios every single year to make sure that if there's anything that has changed in their material finances, that maybe we could increase payments. We look at going through a breakdown of when you do increase those payments, how much principal you're going to knock off, how much savings you'll have in interest. That should be done every single year. Only 2% of people were followed up to see if they're satisfied with their consumer experience. That is, in this day and age, that is terrible. Only 18% of first-time home buyers are using their RSPs for their down payment, whereas 19% of people received a gift from family. I would say that is trending in the correct statistics. I'd say a little more are using gifts nowadays, because you're looking at the higher price of homes, so you're looking at the increased down payments. And still, a lot of people want to get over that 20% down payment, so they're not paying CMHC fees. Only 23% of people in the last year made a lump sum payment to their mortgage to reduce overall principal balance outstanding. I think that has a lot to do with the lender or the broker not being in contact with their clients after the initial experience. So with my clients, I want to see that 23% a lot higher, especially when you're looking at wage increases throughout the years. Average age of the first-time home buyer in Canada, 34 years old. That was a little surprising. I thought it'd be a little lower. Maybe that is just in Ottawa. So that is just a few of the statistics from the survey. More than will be on my website. And I hope to be back next week with another video. I do have 3 videos coming out within the next couple weeks. We're going to be talking with Jennifer, our real estate lawyer again. We are going to be looking to talk to an insurance as well as a financial advisor, and we're also going to look at one of my accountants I work with, and so I will be bringing that to you shortly. But thank you very much for joining me. Have a great day. Thank you very much.